Oh, sorry, I didn't turn on the mic. Okay, again, good morning, everyone. It's me, Calvin from Round and Search. So today we're going to look into the market right now. Basically, most of the stocks are in the market is attracting buyers. So that's why we want to look into it and see to find any of those stocks that the big boys will move the price up higher during the golden hour to attract the buyers to come in. Okay, so before we start, remember to give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. So it helps us to get more. If let's say we find that there's more people are coming in, and then we can do it motivates us more. All right. Okay, I have comments coming in. Sorry, just now I forgot to turn on the. You should. Let me just write. Sorry. Wait, why it turns back? So it's back. Later in the video. Okay, so come back to this, see whether we have any stocks to look into it, and let's see what is it. Let's see. So yesterday I've gone through the overall short-term market outlook and how is the whole market is going to be. You can have a look into it, but overall the summary of it is that most of the stock are attracting buyers, that they are creating a lot of price up. You will see a lot of, especially those small cap stocks, penny stocks, not small cap, penny stocks are showing sign that the why is the chart like this? That they are penny stock are pushing the price up higher, but in fact for the some of the ringgit stocks, they are pressing the price down, going through a retrace right now. Okay, so that's where we might see a lot of good things to look into it. Okay, so 1 ringgit plus, we don't see any of it that fulfills our trading rules. So what I might look into it is this one, 23 cents for 2 ringgit. That's too much of price up. If let's say morning they get up too much, then we'll just forget it. Don't look into it. PPH. Okay, it is trading at the lower point. It's not very liquid for this stock, PPH, so I'm not going to touch it. This one doesn't fulfill. Doesn't fulfill. If you are joining in, give us a reaction here. Give me a like or comment. Good morning, everyone. So morning is supposed to be a good. So don't forget about the good morning. Hey. What else am I looking at? So I saw this. Oh, doesn't fulfill the TO volume side. So basically, if you see this is what we want to achieve here. Push up morning, and then that's what we want to catch. So we have 9 minutes left to market open. But we don't find any of it. No worries. Let me check what is the let me find some other stocks. News. Star. see what other one. Yesterday I saw something that we can have a look into it, but I forgot to add into the chart my fridge. Usually I call my stock, my watch list, the fridge, because it's like anytime when it's ready, then we can actually put into it. Okay, I'm gonna look into this. So I just gonna put into my. So it shows like probably that will be a short-term rebound, but we're not sure. We need to watch, check the price movement later on. So this way we are not going to move in like the usual way for the pre-open market. Okay, so we will be moving in like after the market. So usually it just, that's the, when you see how I look into it, usually I enter send in the orders. The whole trading method for this is we just send in the orders before the markets open. So right now I'm not going to do that. So these are the stocks that they might have some huge, not huge, just a small price up at around within the day. It will not move back up a lot higher, but it will actually have some movement today. So that's why I'm looking into it. Right. So since we have about 6 minutes, let's look into the market. If you have any questions, okay, feel free to ask us in the comment section. All right. I'm not sure whether you can give stars right now, because I'm trying to, from a Facebook site, I'm trying to create something that you can actually give out stars and, you know, tip me, okay, for that. So let's see. That's right now, 5 minutes to market open. So we don't see anything from the market at the moment that it fulfills what I want to look at. Sorry, that's too loud, I guess. Last minute, that was something that we might want to look into it. How is it like? How is it like? 356. So 3 minutes. Maybe this one we can have a look into it, but this stocks is, yesterday the price already moved up. Just need to be quick. Need to be fast. But they move up, they're not able to generate a lot of bit. I look into this today. I'm just afraid that it might just be 3 cents up is still okay. For morning. Okay, if let's say we are not sure about this, then I'm not going to look at it. Seems good. Okay, anyhow, they are attracting buyers right now. So I'm gonna check it out. So right now the best buy queue is actually 121. So if let's say I want to take this price at 120, that I need to actually move in at 122 to grab it. Okay. But it's not at the high side. It's not the usual one that I always look at it. It's not the usual price movement that I look into it. So I'm just worried that 3 cents up, which is 1.21 here, 1.20. So quite a huge price up here. Okay, 59 seconds right now. I'm going to look into this. So 5 seconds before the market opens, then then usually that's where we need to send the orders in. The reason why we wait until the last 5 seconds is because we want to avoid any of the volume are being cancelled off. Okay. So yeah. Oops. So remember, do this like a paper trade to practice first, because when we are later on, if let's say we won't need to exit, you do not know how to look for the exit yet, and you do not know how to time the exit. Okay, so it's very important for you guys to do that. So usually what I would do is that to make it fast, because sometimes when the transaction data actually comes in, then it shows that they have no intention to push up higher, then they want to throw the price down lower, then that's where we need to get out quick. So split second, you can't have any of thoughts like whether you should hold or you should actually hold on to it on all this. So I'm going to look into the transaction data, and then also for the market depth, see what is their intention, whether they still have the intention to move the price up higher and stuff like that. So chart wise, you're not going to look into it. So there's a huge throwdown here. Buy sell queue here about 400 plus, still okay, still consider normal average to the buy queue. So 120 is clear, and then refill to the buy side is 20 lots only. So with just this 20 lot means that they won't, it's not ready to push the price up higher yet. So we need to see. So this is the waiting time. 120 is being thrown down, so 120 is actually back to the sell side, 80 lots, so it's only 20 lots are being filled, so which means that someone actually throw out like 100 lots. we might see these stocks to throw it down lower later. Okay, 20 lots are taken from the sell side, and it's clear again. 120, then bounce back to the buy side, refill to 300 plus. You can see here from the buy side. So means that they have the intention to move the price up higher. So refill back to about 1000 plus. So anytime soon that they will actually clear 121. Okay, it's clear. You can see when they want to clear something, they clear it very fast. Within 1 second, they clear it. So if you see something that is not doing this way, like every 2 seconds that you have one buy transaction, take one transaction comes in, that is not real buying, real intention to push the price up higher. Those are just to show you that, oh, look at us, all right, we want to push the price, there's a lot of buyers coming in, you know, things like that. So same thing, you just need to wait for it. 20121 are being clear and then throw back to the sell side, but when they throw back to the sell side is only 51 lots. So 51 lots, and then 200, someone actually sell 250 lots here. One two one is clear, and then buy side refill to about 425, which is about the average of all this buy side over here. So it seems like they are proceeding to 122. So I need to get ready. If let's say the whole setup is like we need to get ready, like when to exit. Okay, once they move up, we see something that's not right, then we need to click the exit, then straight away sell it to the buy side, so we don't queue. If you click on queue, you don't know when the price, because all these are attracting buyers. So if let's say you wait for it, and then at that time here it's actually showing us that they want to throw the price down lower, they want to exit, they have find that's enough buyers are coming into queuing at the buy side for them to distribute their shares. So if you queue, then you miss the timing, so they are going to throw the price down lower, and then you're gonna miss it, and then the profit that you have made then is gone. It's basically what we are looking into it here is not like a few ticks of profit, 5 cents, 3 cents, no. Okay, sometimes we can get that, sometimes 1 cent, then we have to get out. So it pause here, not moving any. They withdraw 500 lots from 121, and then 90 lots from 22. Then yeah, I think I'll just take the one take that 1 cent of profit. It's still good. Let's see. Okay, someone actually fill in here. Yeah, I just take 1 cent of profit here. Okay, so you can see that 120 is the opening price. That's where we actually can look into it, because you enter before the market open. So if you, as long as you put the highest bid price, you should be able to get 120 if let's say there's no other people are taking from you. So 121 here, 1 cent of profit. If you are moving in like about 40 lots, then you should be able to have like 40 ringgit. 100 lots, then you should have 100 ringgit. Okay, so when the buka puasa later, so I can have nasi lemak. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, I'm just drinking coffee here. Okay, so yep, that's for the first trade. So today I will try to demonstrate 2 trades over here. Even though later, if let's say Gajaya continue move up higher, it doesn't matter. Okay, don't look back into it. If you look back into it, then you'll feel bad. Okay, so come back to all this that we find. this one wise, we will need to look for the look into the charts, 1 minute charts of today. Price down, to change. Right now the price back up to the same, so the high volume actually comes in and then price up and it goes down a little bit. So it is at 925 right now. Before, usually what I do is before entry, any of the entry, then I'll just need to look into we will need the 1 minute charts, because I want to see like at what price that all this volume are actually coming in. So it gives me a much better to gauge when is the best entry timing. Okay, another one that I'm looking at right now is this. So there's no sign of showing any volumes like going into. Okay, seems like there is right now. Where's my code movement? So just now 198, 101, 1071. Price are being thrown down a little bit today. $198 previously was about 1,000 plus. So when they take this, only taking like 10, 16 lot, 19 lots. This is the code movement. For those of you who do not know what is this, basically this is the showing you the transaction, all the transaction that is going through in the market. See, they refill 197 to 1,000 plus. So it's still considered low. 1,000 plus lot is at 197 because the rest of it is like 3,000 plus, 600, 6,000 plus. Yeah, taking like these are the things that I don't really like it, where you can see like 16 lots, sometimes like 13 lot every few seconds, like, and then another 13 lots, and then a few seconds later another 9 lots. Or this is not, it's not it's not showing you like really they want to push the price up. Okay. The reason why I'm looking into this is because they are showing sign that yesterday the price are down, but every time when it hits the low, there's some volume coming in. Seems like they want to support, not to say support, that people are going into it at this point. Maybe director buybacks and things like that, because the price is at the low right now, so they find it's cheaper to actually move into it. For long term, remember one thing is that the big boys, when they enter into the stocks, they can actually hold for very long term. So you don't jump in and then to hold together with them, because we can't afford to hold that kind of that long, because we don't want to stuck our funds into one stocks for too long. Because if we stuck it at too long, then it's not efficient. It would not be efficient for us to look into we want our money to work harder than us. So if let's say stuck into one stock that is waiting for too long, then it's not going to be good. Liquid this one. This one 906. I want to check the 906 whether is when it happens is the buying is more or the selling is more. So 6 minutes started here. So 1395, 2000 selling here more, then 905. The buying is still a lot as well. They just buy one shot, clear 96. Yeah, so it's still fine. This one will not be the same as how this method that I'm applying right now, or the analysis that I'm looking at it right now, may not be the same as how we look into the pre-open market. So it's not that fast for the entry. It's basically just waiting for the right time, knowing when they are going to push the price up higher. Yeah, all this. So there should be a lot of waiting going on. Okay, other than this, another one that is showing some sign here. Here's another stocks that yeah. So I'm having two screens here, so that's why you see I can looking into both sides. When you do day trade, yeah, you need at least two screens. Not revealing this, so this is not. Okay. I would rather see them to go down lower first before any of the entries. The lower they go, then the better it is. That's it. This one over here is a throwdown. I'll put this here first so we can monitor it. Probably some of you would think like, oh, so bad, you were expecting the price to go down, but well, this is about the timing. When is the best timing to look into it? I6, still no sign of it yet. Taking slowly from here. Okay, so while we are waiting, I have some time to answer some of the questions. Feel free to post your questions here in the comment section. Okay. The Facebook site don't have. How about? Oh, good morning, Zen. Nice to see you again. You are real traders because I see you at night for US market and I see you in the morning for Malaysia market. So it's not the money that don't sleep. It's us that don't sleep. So that shouldn't be the way, yeah. It should be our money never sleep and we get to sleep a lot. Get to rest a lot, okay? Sleep a lot doesn't, not that nice, okay? So yeah, nothing's going on. So it's gonna take some time, for this. What time is it right now? It's only 9:19, so it's fine. So just now the trade that I look into it is basically do a calculation. Okay, 96196 here is a bit clearing. Alright, sorry about it. My light just went off. Sometimes it get overheat, so that's why you see a bit dark right now. So it's still fine, okay. The lights, just right now it's daytime. Let's see. 196 is clear. They clear out fast. And then they are being thrown out. So not really throw out, but oh yeah, it is right now. They clear fast, buy fast, they clear, they throw out fast. And then they buy it again. This one side first. 196 is clear again. I'm just gonna wait for them to refill the buy queue, then only I'll do something. There's a high volume here. This high volume is actually pretty mixed. The transaction is buy and also the sell as well. 700, delete, cancel, sorry. Buy and sell a lot during at the 196 area. So it seems that the buying actually coming in. So right now 196 is actually refilled to 1000 plus. $1,500, 1,597. On the other hand, also they are doing the same thing. Just a quick check. Okay, yeah, good. 1797 at the buy side. So 997, the buy Q is about the same as the 192 side. T20 196 refill to 1897. Where is my buy sell Q for this? So it's usually is waiting, that is what when we move in, and then it's gonna be another thing. It's like going, everything will be fast. But I don't think this one will be fast, because this one is based on those stocks that they at the bottom yesterday, there's someone actually coming in, so it shows that they have the intention to support the price. Don't say support the price, but at least some demand actually comes in. The price move up is not that it won't be a lot, but at least there are some intraday trading opportunities there. All right, so so it's gonna be slow. So once they move in, and then we're gonna wait for it to move the price up higher. So is the buy side of 196 is refill up to 1883. So is we have to, okay, it's 2000 right now, so it's getting near to average price, average orders of the buy side. So 17 lots again in this. $2933, so it's refilling back to about the same as the rest. Okay, so seems like anytime they're going to clear 197, but for day trading wise, we don't do anything right now. We wait for the confirmation, the price actually comes in, then only we look into it. Okay, throw 50 lots down, test and see. Any seller, no seller after 10, 13 seconds, 15 seconds, one throwing out. Price. If let's say you see that I'm not moving, it's not because the connection is bad. Just focusing, looking at it, see any changes. They move, I move. Okay, again, this whole session over here is not an it's just to demonstrate to you like how day trading it is, so you can actually learn from do all this day trading, and you should actually look into it as a learning. And then of course, like I always say, do the paper trade first. Okay, I know paper trade doesn't have a lot of views at whether the losing and also the making profit, but right now it's not about getting that kind of view. Right now it's more about getting the to know the price movement of it, and how does it move, and when to analyze. Okay, learn how to do the analysis. So that's why you need to practice that. Okay, of course we will share more details in our training course. The next intake will be on May, so if you're interested, you can actually PM us, or maybe look into the link in the description box, or in the post in the Facebook site. take any time now, I guess, for this. So actually the total price right now for the training course is actually 4,188. So it's 6 month training course. So we can actually do it in a subscription base. So every month it's just like 715, slightly maybe 100 ringgit more. So but at least you can go through it. If let's say you have no time after that, then you can just unsubscribe anytime. Throw down again, 196. So it's all about waiting for this day trading. So that's why I don't like to do day trading. I only do day trading for Malaysia market in the morning during the golden hour trade, because that is fast. One time pop, then I done. Like just now in the morning that we have done that. So we few minutes after the market open, then I can do my other stuff. Okay, so I tried before last time. I was sitting the whole days and then waiting for the transaction to come in. Sometimes you miss it and then you need to wait again. So usually Malaysian market, the timing of the price that they move up higher is always like morning, maybe 11 o'clock, then either 2:30 or 3:30 time, and then 4:30. So these are the slot usually. But of course, sometimes once in a while that they will have in between, they will have the some stocks that they will actually push the price up higher, but you will need to actually watch it. Okay. 197 current price back to 197, 108. Refuel. Okay, some huge throwdown there, and then back to 1.5. Okay, 196 is jump back to the south side. Yeah, in that case, don't have to look into it then. All right, so yeah, I think that's it here. All right, so this one will require some time to let the price down lower. So probably before 11 o'clock, then they will have it, but I don't think I can actually do this live stream for so long. So in that case wise, I'll just end it here. So it's a good trade today. We have one trade that at least we don't have to eat roti kosong today. And then we have nasi lemak. We can have nasi lemak for it. Okay. So yeah. CHHB. Okay, I have questions coming in, so I'm not going off so soon. So stay with me. So our viewers want us to look into CHHB. I think that was like very long time before that, right? So the price already went up, so I'm not going to look into it. But this kind of stock, you have to be careful because consistent high volume and then price don't have any retrace after that and then throw it down. So never go for mid-term or long-term for this kind of stock because it's dangerous. Even though right now it seems like a bit of the price moving back up higher. So because they push up the price, then they need to distribute. So right now they push up a little bit to distribute, continue to distribute. So yeah, don't get stuck inside that. Okay. All right. So yeah, let me turn back on for the YouTube side. I think yeah, that's about it here. So no more questions coming in from both sides, from YouTube and also from Facebook. So remember to give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and the Facebook page, of course, so that you will get notification every time when we have a new live stream is actually scheduled, so you can actually join into it. So but of course for this session over here, I've already pre-scheduled it, so you can actually sign up for, I mean, like just join in for the rest of it until I think the end of the month, but there might be some reschedule going on. Okay, so once I have any reschedule, so that you know, so that's why it's a need for you to actually subscribe to it. Anyway, it doesn't cost you anything, but it gives us a lot of motivation to continue to do this and sharing out more of this the true way of trading in the market, and also knowing in this kind of market situation what kind of trading methods that you should actually look into it, so that you won't get trapped at the high side and you know when to actually move in at the right time. Okay, so thank you very much for joining. I'll see you guys again on the next week. Okay, next week of the session. Okay, next week Tuesday, if you are interested in US market, then log in and then join our live stream at 10:30 p.m. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.